At MonX Design, we believe we can change your life with thoughtful design. Today we're thrilled to announce a new chapter. We are partnering with TinyBox Systems to bring you a new model, the HONExTinyBox. A tiny home model made to deliver our signature design experience at an unprecedented price point. Today, costs continue to rise from property values to building costs. Rising prices means more costs for operators, from financing to taxes. Solutions for making better use of land are increasing in demand. In response to rising costs, many have started to look for creative and thoughtful experiences for escape. Many Canadians desire an affordable getaway from the grind and stress. Here's what the HONExTinyBox brings to the picture: the perfect escape. A tiny home at your beautiful location and designed for the best guest experience. Hone brings years of vacation rental experience to the perfectly designed unit. This isn't just a generic cabin, it's a space designed thoughtfully to create a memorable experience. With TinyBox, we're bringing this vision to scale. We are creating a tailored kit that can be assembled with ease in only 2 days. It's flat packed for ease of shipping, and the components are sourced from the best factories across the world. Thanks to TinyBox, we can offer this new model for as low as $79,000. This is incredible value when you consider the exceptional quality of construction and top-class design. Are you an RV park owner or an investor interested in vacation rentals? This model is tailored for you. We created this to be the perfect option for converting your RV park into a tiny resort, or for building a tiny resort from scratch. We've considered every detail and have experience with our own unit that we run at an RV park. At $79,000, it's an opportunity you can't miss. We've earned around $35,000 in revenue per year with our own units for the last 4 years. Our return on investment has been between 4 to 5 years, or about 20% per year. We are now taking orders for the HONExTinyBox. Get your order in now to be able to receive delivery in 2026. Please contact us at 647-951-7201 or at hi@monx.design. Orders for delivery in 2026 must be made before February. Experience design that is thoughtful, authentic, and intuitive. That's the foundation of MonX. With TinyBox, we're bringing that foundation to a new scale and a new price point, and a new generation of owners and guests. We can't wait to build this with you.